your white jersey, that white pair of pants you made yesterday. Where? It's in that bag. Really? Yeah.
What's up, y'all? We're here at the Buffalo Mountain Trailhead after going to Bear Wallow last weekend. Now we're at Buffalo Mountain. We're trying to hit this elusive 199. So pretty cool. This parking area is not as big as Bear Wallow, but some of it's paved. It's really nice. It's still got nice bathrooms, and there's, you know, it's a 60-degree Saturday in December, and there's only one other trailer at the trailhead. So I don't know if the majority of the side-by-side people come from the resorts or from cabins, but not a lot of traffic at the trailhead here in December the last couple weekends. So yeah, we've got a new IRC Dakota IX09W. They're super sticky with that on the back. Got some fresh brake pads, trail map jammed right here, and let's go have some fun today. I'd say we go.
It's the deer! Little spike! Ow! Not promising. I think we found the right place. Holy cow, does it stay up here? Can't be cheating already. I think we found the right place.
This looks more like Trail 199 to me.
Alright.
Did you see a sign when we popped up on this spot, or is it still 182? I didn't see anything. All right, well, we'll keep going. Alrighty. I do not know if I can go up that.
Me too.
That kind of scares the crap out of me. I don't know. Whew. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. That's that stupid notch. All right, I got the brake.
I got you.
Okay. Oh. All right, let me get this up against a tree and I'll help you. Oh, I don't know about this, buddy. I'll drag my way to the top.
Yeah.
That's got busted radiator all over it. What?
Like immediate rock wall.
And there's no way to get a good run.
Yeah.
I got about halfway up and started teetering. Oh, that's about where I got. Okay. I got the bike. If we turn the wheel now, it'll push straight up.
There we go.
All right, ready? Still in gear.
There we go.
Whoo! I got a feeling I know what Andy meant when he said he spent more time pushing than riding up the top of this thing. What on earth is this? Guys, I'm already dying. I should have worn the exercise watch to see what my heart rate was, because it's gonna be nuts. I'm sure you hard enduro guys see that stuff and laugh, especially on video, but for a moto guy like me, overweight, out of shape dad, that stuff is intimidating. Nice views up here though.
All right, I'm ready to go.
I'm starting to rethink my agreement.
Yeah.
Holy cow, bro.
Good stuff.
Oh yeah, it's great stuff, buddy. Oh.
There we go. Now we're back into some nice and mellow.
Oh yeah, buddy. That's gonna be fun going back up.
Carry momentum, buddy. Carry the front wheel.
Oh yeah, buddy. Just carry that front wheel. And
I think he is definitely going to have to let some air out of his tire regardless if it's tubed or not.
I could not imagine doing this on a motocross bike without a flywheel weight.
Yeah.
He was behind me when I started coming down the hill. I see, well, oh wait. Is he down? Or is he walking his bike down the hill? You go down? Yeah.
Oh, bar.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that rock.
Oh, God. There's like a little bypass over here almost, but there's so many damn leaves you can't see what you're getting into.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What'd he get us into?
Huh?
What'd he get us into?
They're out down here.
It looks like it gets chiller down here. 182.
Yeah. You just do it. I don't even go for it.
What?